Making short and snappy videos is a must for any marketing strategy. So today I'm going to show you how to make this video in under 5 minutes with no experience necessary. Let's get into it. Hello, I'm Maya and I'm a content creator. So creating video content is something I have to do a lot, and any hacks that I can have in my arsenal are a must. But before we get into that, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel, hit the notification bell so you never miss another information-packed video just like this one. That felt a bit like a tongue tie, but there you go, I got it out. And if you make it to the end, YouTube will even serve you the perfect video for you to watch next. So more reason to stay. So as I said at the beginning, you don't need any experience with video creation or animation to make this video. We're instead going to be using Viddyoze. It's my favorite place to go when it comes to creating awesome animations, very quickly and really simple to use, which is amazing for a complete animation novice like me. First of all, I need to log into my account and find the template I want. You can either search something to match your concept or tap on the side here and view a specific category. If you're not into this template, though, give me a chance to change your mind on that. There are over 2,000 to choose from, so I would suggest having a scroll through and you might find something that works better for you. Okay, so I have my template. For reference, this one's called Parallax Title Slides. As you can see, this template allows me to add 5 images and has space for text. I can show viewers snaps from my latest fashion show or screen grabs from a video and then supplement it with text to explain what's going on and include a call to action. So in this section is where we add the images. You can either upload your own or choose from tons of professional imagery from Pixels, Unsplash and Pixabay directly through the Viddyoze platform. For this video, I want to create a little teaser to go on Instagram for an upcoming YouTube video. So here I can upload some screenshots from the video that look the best, making sure there aren't any awkward ones where my mouth's open in a really odd way. Then tap continue and this will take us to the text area. Here I can add in my copy and see exactly where it will go in the video. As you can see, each section is titled such as screen 1 header and screen 1 subtext. I would recommend saving the last bit for your CTA or call to action, and in some areas if you don't require text you can just put spacebar and it will leave it free. There's a little eye symbol next to it, as we'll be showing right now, to let you know which bits you can do that on and which you can't. Next is colors. This is the bit that can really make it or break it. The text needs to be seen against a dark background, so you need to make sure it's the lightest color from your brand deck. And you want the energy color to pop too. You can easily add your brand color hex code here, or you can drag the toggle to pick the perfect shade. I would recommend having brand colors though. It always looks far more professional and creates some continuity with your content, which increases brand recognition. Next, we head to the audio section. Here you have a track that fits perfectly with the motions of the animation, so you don't have to spend ages trying to find a song. Once you're happy, tap create, and there you have it, the perfect, quick and snappy video made in minutes. This would work for any social media video, an intro, an outro, a cutaway. It's really versatile with just a little bit of creativity. You will find a link to Viddyoze in the description box below, and while you're there, why not subscribe? You won't regret it. I'll see you next time.